this is mine. This is a spoonful of mine. You guys see that? And it's fluffy slime. Shaving cream makes fluffy slime.
Mine squeaks.
It needs some more mustard. mustard yellow pigment. Yours actually feels nice. It's kind of sticky though.
It's a little, I was thinking I might put more Tide in, but then I thought, let me try agitating it for a bit. 'Cause sometimes that works.
Agitate's just a fancy word for mix.
Mhm.
Oh my god, I love the feel of your slime. I took a piece of her slime.
And the color's great too, don't you think?
Don't feel my slime because the state
Yeah,
it's
yours
in
is-
is not even activated.
Yours is more like just liquid.
But it's not going to be liquid forever. There you go.
Thank you.
You know what? I'm actually going to activate right now. Where's the Tide go? Where's the
Right there, behind here.
Whoa. It's getting there. It's kind of forming.
Mine's small, but it's good.
Whoa.
I think it's gonna make a good bubble.
But we're doing the slime test when we're both all done with our slimes.
I'll just keep playing with mine until you're
You know
ready.
what this looks like?
Ready?
You know Sophia the First from that Disney
Yeah.
movie? Her dress looks like this.
Yeah.
Do you guys know what I'm talking about?
I do, yeah, I'm sure.
Should I do? It's pretty popular movie. Oh my god, look what hers is. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god.
Thank you.
I need way more activator.
Mhm.
You can't even tell I put it in, but I did. I'm not gonna put the It's forming. Whoa. This is like a 6 out of 10 of color.
It's really pretty though. I like that shade.
It's like purple, but it's not quite purple. I can't even great.
It's like
it's like
a mauve.
lavender-ish
Yeah.
kind of mauve, yeah. I gave up on using the top. I'm just gonna. You know what? There's still more in the cup.
I think that'll be perfect. Not that I'm an expert. I don't really know.
She doesn't know anything about slime. She knows some things.
I'm learning.
At least she knows that you need glue and activator, but that's really obvious.
Yeah.
But some people don't know anything about them. They're like, you use baking soda and water? Like, they don't know anything. Baking soda and water, sometimes they can be a slime ingredient, but like some people really think like literally that's like all the ingredients you need or something. Glue and activator is the main thing. If you don't have glue or activator for your slime, don't even call it slime. Just call it mush. Yeah, that's the word, mush. Yeah. No glue and activator, no slime.
That's looking good.
You can tell I'm a slime expert from the slime, right? It's
Yeah.
luxurious.
Is it ready for a bubble or not yet?
No, it's still stiff.
Mm.
I might need shaving cream because it makes it fluffy and fluffy stuff isn't stiff.
Should we move down to the 4?
Well, there's still
Oh,
so
you
much.
still have more in the bowl. Okay.
I made a lot of slime. Never ending amount of slime, just kidding. But it's fine. There's no such thing as never ending. Eventually it would end.
Slime to infinity. Just kidding.
Doesn't exist. I wish it did though, don't you?
Yeah.
More slime the better. You're not the person who can do that though. You just want small slimes.
It's true.
Oh no. Take off my scrunchie, yeah. Or just roll it up. Oh yeah.
You got mine in it, yours in it. Oops.
It's fine. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Uh-oh.
It's fine. It's fine. Oh yeah, I think mine's finally done. Kinda.
There's got to be a way. Later we have to Google how to get slime out of clothes. Because
Oh,
I
yeah.
accidentally just got it on my jumpsuit, your skirt.
Guys, you see it? Yeah. No, let's move to the floor now. Our slimes are both pretty much done.
Okay.